How long does mesotherapy last? Normally, the results can last 12 to 18 months, depending on your skin type, condition, and number of sessions completed. According to our 21 years customers' feedback, there are 5 reasons if the mesotherapy treatment results are not good enough. Not only one-time mesotherapy treatment, one box for a full treatment is recommended. Inject once in 2 weeks. The repair of the skin barrier is no good. Long injection tips or dosage without professional postoperative care. Therefore, regular treatment and proper care are very important to maintain the effectiveness of mesotherapy.
Guangzhou AOMA Biological Technology Co. Limited is one of the first 10 factories to produce sodium hyaluronate gel in the world. Please feel free to contact us if you need OEM service.